Tecno Camon 11 Pro comes with a plastic back that appears as glass. The back has a very good gradient finish of black and blue, which is very attractive to the eye. On the left hand side you have the SIM tray and expandable storage, which can be expanded up to 256 gigabytes of expandable memory. And on the right hand side you have the volume rocker and your power button. The phone comes with a 16MP main shooter and 5MP depth sensor with quad flash. You also get some Tecno branding at the bottom of the back and your headphone jack, plus speaker grills at the very bottom of the device, plus a USB Type-C port. The display is a 6.2 inch IPS HD. That is rather disappointing because this device is a really good device. The device is also powered by 2.0 GHz octa-core Helio P22 chipset and comes with 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory, which is further expandable to 256 GB via the microSD card. The Camon 11 runs on the Android 8.1 Oreo based and the newly updated iOS 4.0. The device is currently retailing for under $250 and is mainly targeting selfie lovers with a 24MP front-facing camera. Sorry about the vertical video format, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.